Flip-up side table with cup holder. Angled back and arms for a relaxed sitting position. Comfortable padded arms. Strong steel frame and weather-resistant fabric. Roomy 20.5-inch seat and comfortable 17-inch sitting height. Supports up to 300 pounds. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Very solid and comfortable. I got this chair and it gives you a very comfortable feeling as it is sturdy and the side table is great. I am using it in my patio at home and out on day uses and camping. I am disabled and do not like chairs, but this one is great. It covers my back area and is easy to sit at. First one I have found that does all of that. It is one of those where have you been all these years chair. It weighs about 10 pounds. It also has handles to be able to carry it easy. I do all of this holding on to a walker.